Hydrangeas are a favorite among gardeners for their stunning blooms and ability to add charm to any landscape. If you're new to gardening, here's a beginner-friendly guide to growing and caring for these beautiful plants. Number 1. Choosing the right hydrangea. There are several types of hydrangeas, but the most beginner-friendly varieties include Bigleaf Hydrangea, also called Hydrangea macrophylla, famous for its color-changing blooms, blue in acidic soil and pink in alkaline soil. Panicle Hydrangea, also called Hydrangea paniculata, hardy and easy to care for, with cone-shaped white flowers that turn pink as they age. Smooth Hydrangea, also called Hydrangea arborescens, adaptable and cold-resistant, known for large, white blooms. Number 2. Best planting location for hydrangeas. Hydrangeas thrive in morning sun and afternoon shade. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, while too much shade can reduce blooming. Number 3. Watering needs for hydrangeas. These plants love moisture, but don't like soggy roots. Water deeply 2 to 3 times per week, especially during hot weather. Adding mulch around the base helps retain moisture, soil, and fertilization. Hydrangeas prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. The flower color of bigleaf hydrangeas depends on soil pH. Acidic soil with pH below 6.0 results in blue flowers. Neutral to alkaline soil with pH above 7.0 gives pink flowers. pH between 6.0 to 7.0 leads to purple or mixed hues of hydrangeas. Use a balanced fertilizer in spring and midsummer for healthy growth. Number 5. Hydrangeas pruning basics. Bigleaf and oakleaf hydrangeas. Prune right after they bloom, late summer, since they bloom on old wood. Panicle and smooth hydrangeas. Prune in late winter or early spring, as they bloom on new wood. Number 6. Winter protection for hydrangeas. If you live in a colder climate, protect hydrangeas by adding mulch around the base and covering them with burlap or leaves. Some varieties, like Panicle Hydrangeas, are more cold tolerant. Number 7. Common problems and solutions. Wilting, usually due to too much or too little water. Check soil moisture. Blooming problems could be due to improper pruning, lack of sunlight, or harsh winter damage. Yellow leaves, often a sign of overwatering or nutrient deficiencies. Well, there you have it. Hydrangeas are resilient and forgiving plants, making them perfect for beginners. With the right care, they'll reward you with gorgeous blooms season after season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment about your experiences. Your small gestures will help me grow my small channel, so please help me out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.